सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Page 114, verse 50. उभयं तत्त्वबोधात् प्राक् निवार्यं बोधसिद्धये शमः समाहितत्वं च साधनेषु श्रुतं यतः. Vidyaranya classifying Ashastriya Dvaitam, which is the part of Jiva Dvaitam. In Jiva Dvaitam, there are two divisions. One is Shastriya Dvaitam, number two is Ashastriya Dvaitam. In this Ashastriya Dvaitam itself, there is another subdivision. There are two. One is Tivra Ashastriya Dvaitam. Another one is Manda Ashastriya Dvaitam. What is Tivra Ashastriya Dvaitam and Manda Ashastriya Dvaitam? He pointed out in 49th shloka. Kamakrodhadikam Tivram Ashastriya Dvaitam. Tivra Ashastriya Dvaitam is that where the person has got strong likes and dislikes, kama and krodha, desire and anger. Kama krodhadikam, adipadat, etc. means lobha, moha, mada, matsarya. All six enemies put together, kama krodhadikam. They come under Tivra Ashastriya Dvaitam. Tivra means intense. Intense duality, that which connected to Ashastriyam. Ashastriya means where Shastra refutes. Ashastriya means na Shastriyam Ashastriyam. Na Shastriya means that which is not acceptable to Shastra. Ashastriya means that which is not acceptable to Shastra. In that, Tivram is called Kama Krodhadikam. What is the second one? Manorajyam Mandam iti. Itarat means that Manda Ashastriya Jiva Dvaitam is Manorajyam. Manorajyam means daydreaming. Mind is so vacillating, going here and there, wandering mind. A mind which is always wander here and there. Having said this, in 50th shloka, Acharya says, Ubhayam tattvabodhat prak nivaryam bodhasiddhaye. Bodhasiddhaye, to accomplish that knowledge, self-knowledge. Bodha means jnanam. What jnanam? Atma jnanam. Atma jnanam, which is the cause for moksha. Bodha siddhaye, to accomplish, to attain. Bodha siddhaye. Ubhayam tattva bodhat prak. Tattva bodha means before coming to tattva bodha study itself. Basic scriptures. Before attending to the classes itself, one has to drop this kama, krodha and wavering mind. One has to drop ubhayam. Suppose without dropping anyone comes to the class, either with Tivra Shastriya Advaitam or Manda Shastriya Advaitam, suppose they come into scriptural study, what happens? Bodha will not take place. Bodha will not take place, problem. So, Tattva Bodhat Prak eva Nivaryam. Nivaryam means to be eliminated, to be dropped. This Kama Krodha alone we call it as, from Shastra standpoint, Malam. Malam means impurity. Strong likes and dislikes are come under Kama. Raga, Dvesha. So Raga, Dvesha, they are called Malam. Impurity. Impurity at the mental level, Malam is there because of this Kama Krodha itself is Malam. Krodha, anger, short-temperedness, that itself is called impurity. Jealousy, greediness, lobha, mada, pride, all these are all our enemies. They are all come under Malam, impurity. However much the dress body may be pure by applying lot of perfumes and soaps and scents, it looks as though temporarily pure, but mind full alukku and artham, impurity. Manorajyam, that is mind wavering, is called vikshepaha. Vikshepaha. Like that big watch, olden days watch, there is a pendulum in the middle. You cannot find such watches today, nowadays. Wall clock, big wall clock has got a pendulum in between. That's go on moving, this side and that side. So mind also moves like elephant trunk. Another example, elephant trunk also never stop, always moving here and there. Want to catch something or other. Our mind is also like same elephant trunk, madre. It wants to catch hold on to this or that. That is called vikshepaha. Lack of concentration, lack of one-pointedness, lack of focusing mind. They are all called vikshepaha. Vikship dhatu means scattered. Kship means to be scattered. Visheshena, extremely scattered mind. Such a mind is an obstacle to receive bodha siddhaye pratibandhaha. Bodha siddhaye pratibandhaha bhavati. So, mala and vikshepa. How to eliminate these two? Kama krodha rupa mala and manorajya rupa vikshepa. Mind, wavering mind, vikshepa. How to eliminate? Shastra gives two practices for that, karma yoga and upasana yoga. Malanivrityartham karma yoga sadhana. Karma yoga means doing your own duty, religious duties, family duties, social duties, selflessly serve to your family, selflessly serve to your society where you are living, serve to your religion, practice religious disciplines, japa, tapa, parayana, puja, anushtanam, all of them meant to remove the mental impurity. Karma yoga. Prasada buddhya phalam swikuru, Ishwararpana buddhya karma kuru. So karma yoga, I don't want to explain further. This much is sufficient. So karma yoga dwara mala nivrittihi, kama krodha will become feebler and feebler. For that, here Vidyaranya says shamaha. Shamaha means calm mind is required. Once mala nivritti is taken place, nivritti means freedom, elimination. Mala nivritti, if you do that, you are not having strong likes and dislikes, suppose. You are not having short-temperedness. சின்ன சின்ன விஷயத்துக்கு கோபம் வராமலே இருக்கிறது. இந்த மாதிரி suppose. What will happen? You are ready for next step. Ekagrata is possible when your mind is pure, your mind is calm. A pure mind is a relaxed mind. A pure mind, not 100% pure, but 90% at least or 80% pure mind. மூஞ்சு பார்த்தாலே தெரியும் மைண்ட் எப்படிதான் இருக்கும். So shamaha means calm. When mind can be calm, when you are free from strong likes and dislikes, anger, jealousy, hatred, pride, all these are not there in the mind, at least maximum extent you are relaxed. That is called shamaha. Tattva bodhan first line lo sonnaru. Second line lo he is quoting what is samadhi. No, sadhana chatushtaya sampannadhikarinam tattva viveka prakaram vakshamaha. Tattva vivekah kaha. All this you know. Okay. Viveka, vairagya, shama, dama, shatka sampatti, mumukshutvam. In this Shamadhi Shatka Sampatti, and you can take that part, what Sadhana Chatushtaya Sampatti, Shamadhi Shatka Sampatti. 4 among 4, the third one, among there 6 are there. What is 4, what is 6? Tattva Bodha must be available. Viveka Vairagya Kshamadamadi Shatka Sampatti Mumukshutvam called Sadhana Chatushtaya Sampatti. Among these 4, the third one is called Shamadhi Shakka Sampatti. Shama Adipadat Shama Dama Uparama Titiksha Shraddha Samadhanam. So 6 real wealth. What is your real wealth? You see how the word is used. Your real wealth is only shama, a relaxed, calm mind, a disciplined mind. Shama means a controlled mind, disciplined mind, restrained mind. Dhamma, sense control. Uparama, sense withdrawal. Titiksha, tolerance power. Shraddha, faith. Samadhanam, samadhanam kim chittaikagrata. Is reminding Tattva Bodha. That means indirectly asking, have you studied Tattva Bodha? He is indirectly asking us, have you completed Tattva Bodha? சில பேருக்கு தத்துவ போதான்னு என்னன்னே தெரியாது. அப்போ என்ன ஆகும்னா பஞ்சதசி கொஞ்சம் கஷ்டமாக இருக்கும். ஸோ தத்துவபோதா இஸ் ரிமைனிங் ஷமா. மலநிவృత్త్యర్థம் கர்மயோக அபியாசேன மலநிவృత్తి பிராப்யதே. தென் ஷமா கம்ஸ். Shama comes means calm mind, relaxed mind is possible. What is Shama connection and what is Malanivritti connection? A mind which is occupied with strong likes and dislikes and kamakrodhadikam, that mind is not a calm mind or relaxed mind. That mind is a sick mind. A mind which is overpowered by strong likes and dislikes, hatred, jealousy, any sort of jealousy, anywhere it is there, overpowered by them, such a mind is a sick mind. That mind will get lot of psychosomatic elements later. Psychosomatic elements. All diseases are caused by the mind only. So therefore, what is the byproduct if you come to Shastra, you are free from psychosomatic elements. Before getting psychosomatic, you have to come to Shastra. After coming, you can't do anything. Because psycho means mind, soma means body. That body is affected by many ailments because of the mental disturbance, stress and strain, lot of likes and dislikes, anxieties. Therefore, tackle your mind first. Then health comes automatically. That is a side point, just I am sharing with you. Then samahitatvam cha. Samahitatvam means chitta ekagrata. Vikshepa nivrityartham chitta ekagrata prapyartham upasana yoga. Whole karma kanda is meant for karma yoga. Upasana kanda of Veda meant to give ekagrata, chitta ekagrata. Powerful ekagrata is required. Therefore, body must be disciplined. Asana siddhi is required. A disciplined body can have a disciplined mind. A disciplined mind can be a focusing mind. Ashtanga yoga abhyasa. Samahitatvam means here chitta samadhanam. Or we can call it as samadhi. Absorption, ekagrata. I am dead to the world is dead to me at that 1 hour, Panchadashi class. We have to check our cell phones. Adella switch off lo irukka illana paathukonum. Na palakam illadella vechitana kashtam, okay. I am practically showing you how to switch off, Okay. We have to stop this type of distraction. Okay. Without our knowledge, we forget. We switch on the phone and we forget to switch off the phone while coming to the class. You are all good students, I know. So, chitta ekagrata to come, people should not disturb me. I should not be disturbed by them. Upasana yoga, that is japa, parayanam, eka Rupa upasana, aneka rupa upasana, we have to practice. So sadhanas are given for that. Once you get chitta samadhanam or ekagrata, you will get bodha, knowledge. Therefore, sadhaneshu shrutam yataha. All these are given in the list of sadhanas. All these are given in the list of sadhanas, karma yoga, Malanivrityartham or chitta shuddhi prapyartham, and upasana yoga vikshepa nivrityartham chitta ekagrata prapyartham. I am using all Sanskrit words. I hope you can follow. So, sadhaneshu shrutam, all are mentioned, pointed out, given in the Shastra. So what? Next step, you are eligible. Now, we'll look into the next sloka, 51. Bodhadurdhvam cha tadhyeyam jivan muktif prasiddhaye kamadi klesha bandhena युक्तस्य नहि मुक्तता कामादि क्लेश बंधेन युक्तस्य. A person who is associated with, yuktasya means associated with. A person who is associated with what? Kama, desire. Adipadat, etc. means krodha, anger, lobha, greediness, moha, delusion, mada, pride, matsarya, jealousy. If they are all there, such a person, yuktasya, klesha bandhena. Klesha means sick. The mind is a sick mind. It is as good as a diseased person in earth. He is called a diseased person, mentally diseased, mentally sick. That is why you can find some people at least physically fit. But to find a person mentally healthy is very difficult. Jnani alone is the one who is mentally healthy. Klesha, the defects. Klesha means defects, weakness due to Arishad Vargas. Okay? Defective due to Arishad Vargas. Arish means, what is Arishad Vargas? I am just taking it as granted. Ari means enemies. Shat means 6. Varga means group. Group of enemies number in 6 number. We are seeing enemies outside. Shastra says enemies are inside you, not 1 or 2. 6 enemies. All are friends. Kama, Krodha, Lobha, Mada, Matsarya. All are pairs. Kama, Krodha, Lobha, Moha, Mada, Matsarya. 3 pairs. Shastras, Puranas, they are picturized as what Ravana, Kumbhakarna, Shumbha, Nishumbha, Chandamundasura, Hiranyakasipu, Hiranyaksha, all twins. These enemies are only picturized in Puranas. Okay, where are they now? All Ravana, Kumbhakarna within us. Hiranyakasipu, Hiranyaksha. Therefore, introspection is very important. Antah pariksha chintanam is very important. Check yourself. Metal detector. Engengo metal detector vekkare. Namakku nama metal detector vechukano. Mental detector. Adi metal detector. Nama enna vechukano? Mental detector. What is mental detector? Thursday class is the mental detector. That's why it is shows where you are. Shastra always reminds you where you are standing. It helps us to check ourselves. Okay. Klesha. What? Klesha is there. Doesn't matter. Dosha. It caused to bandha, bondage. Bandhena. They cause bondage. They will keep you always in frustration, disappointment, dissatisfaction. They will not help you to go forward in spiritual pursuit. On the other hand, they pull you back from your spiritual ladder. That is called bandhaha. Bandhena yuktasya. Even if a property edra, this is the property. What property he has got? Kama, Krodha, Lobha, Moha, Mada, Matsarya, Yuktasya nahi muktata. There is no jivan muktihi. There is no liberation. There is no moksha. Therefore, what? Bodhad urdhvam cha tat heyam. Heyam. To be dropped. To be renounced. To be eliminated, to be destroyed. When bodhad urdhvam, to achieve this moksha, one has to drop this. Before the knowledge, jivan mukti prasiddhaye. Jivan mukti prasiddhaye. Prasiddhaye means to enjoy that benefit of moksha clearly. Prasiddhaya means to enjoy the benefit of that knowledge, that self-knowledge. Jnana phalam. Jnana phalam, to enjoy, one has to drop them as soon as possible. Next shloka we will read. Jivan muktiriyam ma bhut Janma bhavetvaham krutim tarhi janmapi testveva swargamatrat kruti bhavan. Now Vidyaranya addressing a Madhyama Adhikari. In the first line, a student raising a question, and second line Vidyaranya putting a counter question. First line of this 52nd verse, a student's question. Second line Vidyaranya's counter question. Keeping what in his mind? There are three types of adhikaris. Three types of adhikaris, qualified students. Uttama adhikari, number 1. Madhyama adhikari, number 2. Adhama or Manda adhikari, number 3. 50% of population won't come to Shastra at all. Another 50% whoever come also, among them also there are three types of adhikaris. What adhikari? I told you, Karpura buddhi, Valattanda buddhi, Kari buddhi. Valattanda buddhi, Manda adhikari. The Valattanda, it cannot catch fire at all. It cannot catch fire. Kari buddhi can, curry and a coal, can catch the fire, but you have to, and you have to fanning, It cannot catch immediately. You have to fan it. The coconut fiber you have to keep, or cotton you have to keep, and put kerosene on that. Then only it catch fire. Thanaha catch pannadu. After putting that also you have to take, visri. Poit ipdi pannanam. This what buddhi? Kari buddhi. And Uttama buddhi, Uttama adhikari is one who is having that Karpura buddhi. Karpuram is that catch fire immediately. Even the matchstick you go take near itself. Kuncha kitta ponale podu. It catches immediately that fire. So now this Manda adhikari is like Valattanda buddhi. Madhyama adhikari is like a Kari buddhi. Buddhi anna avana buddhi appadida. Uttama adhikari is like Karpura buddhi. So what? The Manda adhikari, there is no reception of knowledge. Comes to class, 50% of people in the mood adhikaris. 50% kuda varamata class ki na cholre chuma 5% da varuva class ki. Okay, just for analysis we are taken. Manda adhikari is one who is having this kama krodha vikshepa. This person cannot receive the shastra, listening, but he will get punya, some punya, or he will go to Swarga. Or some punya comes, even you attend Bhagavad Gita class, you attend Vedanta class, you get punya, the definite. But not Jnanam. Jnanam won't take place. What? Aham Brahmasmi. Even Paroksha Jnanam is not possible. Even indirect knowledge is not possible for him. What he can get, konja chitta shuddhi varum. Angeda vanku chitta shuddhi starting Vedanta class. It serves as a karma yoga. For Manda adhikari, Vedanta high advanced Panchadasi serves as what? Karma yoga. It is like using Ganga water for bathroom washing. Okay, if we come to Shastra without qualification, it's like that only. High advanced Panchadasi serves as a karma yoga sadhana to give chitta shuddhi, because he has come without chitta shuddhi. So for that person, there is no reception of the teaching also. He cannot receive the teaching. So out of Jnana. He is out of Jnana range. Whereas Uttama adhikari is one like Karpura buddhi, comes with sadhana chatushtaya sampatti like Kenopanishad. No? Nachiketana Madri. He comes and receive the teaching and retain the teaching and assimilate also. Reception is there, retention is there, recollection is there. R. R triad. What? Receive the teaching, atraiva brahma samashnute. Here, now itself, that person receive the teaching and retain that teaching and recollect the teaching. He lives, dwells upon the teaching and live in that teaching. Atraiva Brahma Samashrute. So, Vidyaranya need not talk about these two people. Vidyaranya need not talk about these two people. Who are they? Manda Adhikari, who is out of that jnana. He is not at all understanding, receiving the teaching. Teaching engiyo above head la irukku avanukku. Is not entering the head. So the Vidyaranya need not talk about that person. Similarly, Uttama Adhikari also, he has already attained Jnanam, received and living in that Jnanam. He need not advise or suggest anything to that person. Now Vidyaranya has to talk about one Rundakatan. Okay, Madhyama Adhikari, who has come to the class and received the teaching, Jnana Vandachi, but no Jnana Nishtha. Tattva Bodha, he knows very well. And Upanishad, Bhagavad Gita, Nalla thorough. Rumma Varshma Padichindirka, books irka, cassettes are there, CDs are there. And once in a while, Guru Chollam Bode, Avane repeat Ponva, Enna Chollaporaran Guru. Anda alav kirka. But that person is not having Jnana Nishtha. That means he is not having Aparoksha Jnanam, he is having a Paroksha Jnanam. Now you see the difference between these three people. Manda Adhikari, no Jnanam. Madhyama Adhikari, there is Jnanam, but there is no Jnana Nishtha or Aparoksha Jnanam. Direct knowledge has not yet taken place. Whereas Uttama Adhikari, Jnanam plus Aparoksha Jnanam, Nishtha is there. So Madhyama Adhikari, who is having Jnanam, but there is no Jnana Nishtha, Brahma Asti. Brahma Asti. What about you? I am a samsari. That is called Madhyama Adhikari. Now where are we? Where are we? Valattanda, Kari Buddhya, La Karpura Buddhya, we have to recognize. So, don't judge others. Okay. This judgment is also not to develop a guilt or hurt or any regret in our mind. Ayyo, ittanala padichundirukka, I am a Swamini student, I am studying Gita, why I am like this? Still, we need not feel bad. But that introspection is must to deliberately, I have to implement the teaching into my life. This is called a litmus test. Day by day I have to improve myself. Day by day I have to improve myself. Deliberately I am lacking this. I am losing my temper. I am having this type of delusion still. I have this type of wrong concepts. Still I have doubts. I have to check myself. Introspect. Hetu vichara annaru. Hetu phala karya vichara. We call it as hetu phala vicharaha. Hetu swarupa karya vicharaha. Hetu swarupa karya vicharaha. It is a technical terms. Introspection means how to do. Then just I will give hints and we'll go to the sloka. How to check oneself. Appointment with oneself. How? Hetu, Swarupa, Karya, Vichara. Vichara means analyzing, analysis, checking. Mental detector and chonnanno. And the mental detector eppadi and the mental detector ponnumbodhu ange ennu potta podum correct. Metal ku madhyalo ஒரு அந்த மெட்டல் டிடெக்டர் பண்ணதுக்கப்புறம் அந்த அப்படி தொட்டி 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 பார்ப்போம் இல்லையா, தலையிலேருந்து கால் வரைக்கும். அது மாதிரி நம்மவே இந்த மனசில் தொட்டி 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 பார்க்கணும்னா மென்டல் டிடெக்டர் எப்படின்னா ஹேத்து. வாட் இஸ் த காஸ் ஃபார் திஸ் ப்ராப்ளம்? வை ஐ ஆம் ரெஸ்ட்லெஸ்? வை ஐ ஆம் ஹேவிங் டவுட்டிங் நேச்சர்? வை ஐ ஆம் ஹேவிங் ஃபியர்? Why I am having this dullness? Suppose, whatever may be the problem, why I am having this hesitation? Why I am not able to focus my mind? Why my mind is restless? Cause we have to find out. Hetu means cause. இதுக்கு என்ன காரணம், இப்படி இருக்கிறதுக்கு என்ன காரணம் అని ஆராய்ச்சி பண்ணணும். ஆராய்ச்சி. தென் ஸ்வரூபா, what is the nature of that emotion? When that emotion come to surface, how it is responding? I have to just watch. Emotional upset or sandeha, samshaya comes, mind is so restless. Its swarupa I have to just watch, observe. And it's a karya, consequence. Suppose if I continue this type of emotional disturbances, kama, krodha, all are only emotional problems. Kama, krodha, lobha, moha, madamatsarya, all are emotional problems. The emotions, if I entertain, not trusting anyone, always fear, always doubting, always hesitation, ஏதோ ஒரு problem. Suppose if I have this, what are the consequences? What are going to come outcomes because of these emotions? அது விசாரம் பண்ணணும். ஹேத்து விசாரா பண்ணணும், ஸ்வரூப விசாரா பண்ணணும். அதனோட ஸ்வபாவம் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். எதனால வருது, இது எப்படி வருது, இது வந்தால் என்ன நஷ்டம் எனக்கு, இப்படி பண்ணணும். உட்கார்ந்து இன்ட்ராஸ்பெக்ஷன் பண்ணணும். இப்படி பண்ணுறதுக்கு தைரியம் கிடையாது. நிறைய பேருக்கு தைரியமே இருக்காது. தைரியமாக யூ ஹேவ் டு ஃபேஸ் யுவர் ஓன் வீக்னஸஸ். We always justify our weaknesses. We are efficient in justifying our weaknesses. Shastra says, na jivan muktata. No mukti at all for such a person who face his mind hetu swarupa karya vichara dvarena. இந்த ஸ்லோகம் இல்லை, இதெல்லாம் பாஷ்யம் ஆச்சாரியா writes. Therefore, he says, in this shloka, first shloka, one question is raised. What he says, that student raising, see, to get Jivan Mukti, you are talking about Kama Krodha elimination. Shamadamadi Shatka Sampatti, full and full I want. I have to follow Shamadama Uparama Titiksha Shraddha Samadhana. இதெல்லாம் முடியாத காரியம். அண்ட் மைண்ட் கண்ட்ரோல், சென்ஸ் கண்ட்ரோல், அது கிடையவே கிடையாது. ஐ எம் ஷார்ட் டெம்பர்டு பர்சன். இப்போ என்ன போகுமா என்ன இது எல்லாமே. ஐ கேனாட் கம் அவுட் ஆஃப் ஆல் தீஸ் திங்ஸ். ஐ டோன்ட் வாண்ட் ஜீவன் முக்தி. ஐ எம் ஹாப்பி வித் ஞானம் இட் செல்ஃப். எனக்கு ஞான நிஷ்டா வேண்டாம். ஞான நிஷ்டாக்கு தானே இதெல்லாம் தேவைன்னு சொல்கிறேன். மத்தியம் அதிகாரி ஆர்கியூயிங். மத்தியம் அதிகாரி இஸ் ஹூ comes to the class and understands karibuddhi, understands visiri 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 teacher அப்படி கொஞ்சம் புரிஞ்சுக்கிறான். பரவாயில்ல, ஓ பிரம்மா சத்தியம் ஜெகன் மித்யா இதெல்லாம் புரிகிறது. பாடி இஸ் ஃபால்ஸ், வேர்ல்ட் இஸ் ஃபால்ஸ், நாமரூபா ஃபால்ஸ், சத்தியம் ஞானம் பிரம்மா அனந்தா, ஓன்லி சத்தியம், வண்டர்ஃபுல். ஹி ஹஸ் காட் ஞானம். ஹி சேஸ் ஞானம் gives videha mukti. I don't want Jivan Mukti. Jivan Mukti dane idellame thevai. Yedi kama krodhadikam you have to control, all tivra dvaitam you have to control. You are talking. I come to the class, I listen, I write notes, I listen to CD, I get knowledge. எனக்கு ஞான நிஷ்டை தேவையில்லையே. ஞான நிஷ்டை எதுக்காக? ஜீவன் முக்திக்காக. எனக்கு ஜீவன் முக்தி வேண்டாம், விதேக முக்தி போதும். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஜென்ம இல்லாமல் இருந்தால் போதும் எனக்கு. என்ன சமத்து பாரு. இது ஒரு மூளை, இது ஒரு மூளை. அவனுக்கு அப்படிப்பட்ட சந்தேகம் வருது. ஹீ இஸ் கன்ஃபார்ம்ட் அண்ட் கன்ஃபவுண்டட். அண்ணா he says ஜீவன் முக்தி இயம் ஜீவன் முக்தி மா பூத். let me not have this ஜீவன் முக்தி liberation. Jnana nishtha. Jivan mukti means jnana nishtha. Let me not have jnana nishtha to have a jivan mukti here and now. So what? Janma abhave tu aham kriti. I am satisfied. Kriti means I am satisfied. Kriti asya asti iti kriti. I am satisfied. Aham kriti. By what? Janma abhave. Janma abhave is equal to videha mukti. Once you get Jnanam, you will not have again Punarjanma. Videha Mukti. You will not have Punarjanma. So, I can avoid Punarjanma by Videha Mukti. By Jnanam, I need not work for Jnana Nishtha, Avaroksha Jnanam here, because for the Jnana Nishtha you are asking so many conditions. And the conditions ಎಲ್ಲ ಯಾರು ಕಷ್ಟಪಡುವ ಅದಕ್ಕಾக ಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಡಿಟೆಕ್ಟರ್ ஒரு டிடெக்டர் வச்சு ஹேத்து ஸ்வரூப காரிய விசார எல்லாம் பண்ண முடியாது எனக்கு. I cannot give up what? TV watching. I cannot give up chatting with others. I cannot give up gossiping. I cannot give up my short-temperedness. I cannot give up my pleasures. I cannot do all these practices. You are asking japa, பாராயணம் இதெல்லாம் முடியாத காரியம். நான் எல்லாம் பண்ண மாட்டேன். எனக்கு ஞானம் போதும். ஞான நிஷ்டா வேண்டாம். எனக்கு விதேக முக்தி வந்தால் போதும். அகம் கிருதி ஜன்ம அபாவே. ஜன்ம அபாவேன விதேக முக்தி பிராப்தே ஜன்ம நாஸ்தி. Therefore, I am happy. Then, Vidyaranya putting a counter question. Tarhi, if this is your plan, this is your vision, tarhi janmapite astu eva. There is a janma for you. There is no question of avoiding punarjanma. Janma irundha ahum appa, janma illamale pohadu. Janma asti eva. Te astu, janma api astu. Let be there even next birth also. Why? Because you want to enjoy, no? You want to enjoy your pleasures, you want to enjoy this life. So, for that enjoyment, why can't you work for Swarga? He says, Swarga matra kriti bhavan. May you be happy, satisfied with Swarga. Unakku pleasures idane venum. Swargathukku po. You can go to Swarga. Ange pona ever 16 you are. Always pleasures. There is no problem at all. No mosquito problem, no ED problem, lightning problem, no rain problem. You are ever young person. You want only what? Pleasures. You don't want to control mind. You don't want to control your senses. Don't want to control sense control, mind control anna enartham. He wants pleasures. He wants only pleasures. And the pleasures ku daane neenga vandu idella control panna maatenu solreen. Appo unakku videha mukti edukku? Janma irukkutume, swargathi po. Nalla sukam kadikum. You continue there. He says swargamatrat, by swarga itself, kriti bhavan, may you satisfy with that. Then that person comes, no, I don't want swarga. In a swarga, ananda is temporary. He says, next shloka, Sishya is asking again. Nalla ee moola irukku. Aanalu endra epdipatta moolanna perverted. He says, Shayati shayadoshena Swargo heyo yada tada Swayam doshatayatmayam Kamadhikim nahiyate. The second line, doshataya is there, and the ya you have to change into ma. Doshatamatmayam. Doshatama. Now, Sishya is asking in the first line, Swargaha heyaha. I don't like Swarga. For pleasures, if I go to Swarga also, Shayati shayaha. Doshena. There are lot of defects in Swarga. In a class vandita 8th chapter padichirukka Bhagavad Gita. Shine punye martya lokam vishanti. ते तं भुक्त्वा स्वर्गलोकं विशालं क्षीणे पुण्ये मर्त्यलोकं विशन्ति. जन्म इरुक्ku, I don't want swarga. That punya will exhaust after some time. That pleasures are temporary. Shaya is there. Atishaya dosha is there. Deep problem is there. Here Kshaya means there is a steep downfall in Ardham. Shaya Atishaya dosha. Steep downfall, it is like sitting in AC room, suddenly you go to furnace. After sitting for 6 hours in AC room, you go to a furnace. Lot of heat is there. It is more suffering, no? It is like that, going to Swarga and coming back again here. That is called Atishaya. Steep downfall. It is very difficult to withstand. Shaya Atishaya doshena Swargaha heyaha. I am not voting for Swarga because in Swarga, because well informed in Shastra, this person, that pleasures are temporary. Again I will take birth, come back. Therefore I don't want birth. Therefore I am not voting for Swarga. I want Videha Mukti. I want Gnanam. Through Gnanam I want to get Videha Mukti. Janma venda. Swargamu venda. Ena Videha Mukti irundha next birth irukadu, no problems. Therefore he want to enjoy all pleasures in this life and next no janma, free. எப்படியா திங்க் பண்றாங்க பாருங்க ஆச்சாரியாஸ். There are people think like this. There are people. They study Shastra, but they never follow disciplines. Shastra says if you follow disciplines only, you will get Gnana Nishtha. That is why many people are happy with knowledge, scholarship. They are not interested in Gnana Phalam here in this Janma. I know everything. They say like that. எனக்கு தெரியும் என்ன பிரம்ம சத்தியம் ஜெகன் மித்யா, அதுதானே. யாருக்கு தெரியாது? எனக்கு தெரியும் சத்தியம் ஞானம் அனந்தம் பிரம்மா யோ வேத நிகிதம் குஹாயாம் பரம யோமன் பிரதிஷ்டிதா. எனக்கு தெரியுமப்பா. I am very happy with ஞானம். எனக்கு விதேக முக்தி போதும். I don't want to follow all disciplines and all religious duties. I don't want, because I am a Vedantic student. Okay. When you follow religious duties, all Shastra says Panchamaha Yajnas, adella hambak, ella mithya dane, adella mithya. Therefore I need not follow. I am a Vedantic student. I am an advanced student. I am not a religious person. Ippudu solluva. Okay, you don't indulge in sense pleasures. Give up and sonna. I am a human being. How can I give up? How can I give up all of them? This saapadakoodadu, adu saapadakoodadu, idu peshakoodadu, adu peshakoodadu. I am also an ordinary human being, no? Apdi solluva. Evla samatha pesra par. He thinks he is smart. Shastra says, I am smarter than you. Vidyaranya says, Yada heyaha swargaha for you, oh Sishya, you are not interested in Swarga because Swarga Sukha is temporary. You will come back and you will get Janma. Yada, that like that, tada, in the same manner, Swargaha is heyaha, Sukhas are only temporary. These Kama Krodha are more problematic than that. He says here, tada, similarly, Kamadihi ayam Doshatamatma means here they are with the full of doshas. What are they? Kama, Krodha, Lobha, Moha, Madamatsarayadi. Doshatama means extremely defective. Then Swarga. Adi dosham nunakku. In the Kama Krodha also doshatama. Doshatamatma. Atma means a self-reflexive pronoun. Their swarupam is kama is equal to dosha yuktam. Krodha, moha, all are dosha. Dosham vere, kamam vere illa. Kamame dosham, binding desires. All are dosha tamam. Swayam kimna hiyate. Swayam, why can't you give up? This kama krodha which are also defective. Swarga is defective, therefore I don't want to go, you are telling. Do you think this kama krodha are defect free? Do you think this mada matsarya are defect free? They are the one who are the culprits. Who are the culprits? They pull the person, they drag the person from that Jivan Mukti. Even that Rakshasa, Hiranyakaspu, Hiranyaksha, Ravana, Kumbhakarna, Chanda, Mundasana, great tapasvis they are. They are all great tapasvis. They got the darshan of Lord Ishvara, Parameshwara. They have got such a power. But how they fall in their life? Ravana fall because of Kama. Hiranyakaspu fall because of Mada. So Kama Krodha, because of that, these Rakshasas are all lost their life. Do you think these Kama Krodha are better? They are most worst than Swarga. Why can't you give up here now itself? அதுதான் நான் சொல்லிட்டு இருக்கேன். See, எப்படி போய் எப்படி வராரு பாருங்க. நம்ம எல்லாம் திங்க் பண்ணணும் இதெல்லாம். நமக்கு வரவே வராது இந்த மாதிரி. அவர் சொன்னது கொஞ்சம் திங்க் பண்ணால் நம்ம நல்லா இருக்கும். ஓகே. ஸோ கிம்ன ஹீயத்தை, why can't you give up Kama Krodha? That's why people come to Vedanta classes and they never change themselves. They continue their vasanas, their habits and their all evil traits. They continue. Split personality, they continue. And what are all pura vasanas are there, they continue. They continue Shastra also. And after coming to Vedanta classes, everybody looks at them, Amma, our class ku poraru, our padikiraru. The wife ku da theriyum, veetla. Kulandhukku theriyum. வெளியில் மாத்திரம் எல்லாருக்குமே ஓஹோ அவர் வந்து ரொம்ப பட்டையாக விபூதி போட்டி நல்ல ருத்ராட்சை போட்டி கையில் பகவத்கீதை வச்சுட்டு கிளாஸுக்கு போகிறார். அப்போ கிளாஸ் சுவாமிஜி கூடவே நடக்கிறாரு, சுவாமினி கூடவே நடக்கிறாரு, பேசிட்டு இருக்காரு, எல்லாம் இன்ட்ராக்ஷன் இருக்கா. We think we are so great. We cannot cheat people. No? That's called split personality. Split personality. Therefore, many people are not ready to give up their own vasanas, their own weaknesses, because they are very happy with knowledge. Either another problem, this jnanam comes for them, another problem. They come. Guru cannot say, don't come to the class. Enna pandrathu? They come. I am not talking to any of you here, okay? General talk I am telling. You are all wonderful students. Generally, people think like that. Then Vidyaranya says, it is like what? It is like this. If you want to continue your pleasure, sense organs control illamale, mind control illamale, you want to be happy with just knowledge, scholarship knowledge, you don't want to get Gnana Phalam Jivan Mukti here itself, because Gnana Nishtha requires Shamadama, you don't want to follow that. You don't want to have any tongue control, eating control, talking control. You don't want to have any simplicity, niradambarata. You don't want to give up, renounce any pleasures. But you want jnanam, and with that jnanam, another feather on your cap. With this jnanam. உலகத்தை ஏமாத்துறது. அந்த வந்தே மாத்தரம் அனி ஒருத்தர் தமிழ்ல சொன்ன வந்தி ஏமாத்துறோம். வந்தே மாத்திரம் அந்த பாலிட்டிஷியன்ஸ் எல்லாம் வந்து என்ன பண்ணுவானா ஏமாத்துறோம் நாங்க, அது வந்தே மாத்தரம். அப்படி இந்த ஸ்டூடெண்ட் ஆல்சோ வந்து ஏமாத்துறது என்ன, cheating whom? Cheating himself or herself. See the next shloka. Tattvam buddhvapi kamadin ati kamadi nishesham na jahasi chet yatheshta charanam te syat karma shastrati langhinah. Shastra karma atilanghinah. The one who want to refute. Atilanghinah means and the Shastratinude karmakal, sadhanas, they don't want to practice. Atilanghinah. Te yatha cheshta charanam syat. If you don't listen to Shastra disciplines or not following, you will take up the yadheshta charanam. As you like, you live. That is more dangerous. Tattva buddhvapi kamadini nishesham na jahasi chet. Nishesham, if you don't drop these kamadin, nishesham totally, tattvam buddhvapi, after coming to Vedanta Shastra also, after coming to Vedanta Shastra also, after knowing the Vedantam also, what is what, everything you know, Shastra is talking, hammering on one side, Shama, Dhamma, Uparama. And the time matram, Vipukarva. Solikotao, Anakalla Venda. Tattva buddhvapi. What will happen? Nishesham na jahasi chet. If you won't give up your anger, jealousy, hatred, or you don't give up the attachment towards worldly sense pleasures, if you won't give up, what will happen? You are the one cheating the Shastra, Shastra karma ullanghinah. You are the one who is refuting the Shastra's disciplines, and you want to follow as you like. You want to live as you like. Yadheshta charanam. Next ஸ்லோகம் சொல்ல போறாரு. அப்போ உனக்கு ஒரு நாய்க்கு என்ன டிஃபரன்ஸ்னு கேட்கிறார். பாருங்க, அவ்வளோ கோபம் வருது வித்யாரண்யருக்கு. அப்போ உனக்கு ஒரு நாய்க்கு என்ன டிஃபரன்ஸு? அது யதேஷ்டாச்சரணம், நீயும் யதேஷ்டாச்சரணம். நீ கிளாஸுக்கு வர, அது வரல, அவ்வளோதான் டிஃபரன்ஸு. எவ்வளோ பவர்ஃபுல் ஆர்குமெண்ட் பாருங்க. More in the next class. Purnamadha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.